Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and nothing is better to relieve your muscle tension and soreness than a heating pad. This heating pad from Sunbeam is extremely comfortable and easy to use. So first of all, we have the extra large size, which helps it to be able to wrap around your shoulder or fit the actual length of your back. It's really soft. This is the burgundy color, and it never feels itchy or scratchy or anything like that if it's up against your skin. So it's very comfortable, very easy to use. You can see that you have the on and off, and you have auto on and off. So what that means is that this heating pad will stay on for 2 hours, and so it will automatically shut off unless you turn off that button, and then it will remain on. You also are able to control the heat, so your little numbers will go up and down, and you'll instantly feel the heat on any number that you put it on. And then of course the intensity of the heat goes up as your number goes up. So if you're looking to get a heating pad, you really cannot go wrong with Sunbeam. It has the large size. Not only does it look really good, it feels extremely soft. All the features of it is extremely easy to use, and the design of the heating pad itself is very simple. They do make ones that are more complex, but I love that this one is just a heating pad. That way I can choose in what position or in how I need to use it. If I need to use it on my legs or on my shoulders or on my back, I'm able to adjust that because it's this very comfortable and easy to use heating pad. It's going to make you and your muscles feel really great, and that's my point of view.